Welcome to today's Excel tip. Today we want to be able to count the number of instances in a table based on a criteria supplied by user in Excel. First, I'm going to start off by highlighting this table and giving this table a name. So I can either type the name here or go to the formulas tab, and in the define name section I can define a name for the table. So I'm going to call this table my table. Now I have my table ready. Now the table has fields, which are the column names. So in the count box, I'm going to count based on this salary criteria. So the formula we use here is dcount. So dcount, and dcount accepts three criteria: database, field, and then criteria. So our database will be my table. So my table, comma, then the next criteria is field, and we want to perform this calculation on the salary field in the database or the named table. So within my table, the salary column is what I want to run the criteria on, and the criteria that I want to run is C2 to C3. So salary, go to the salary column and find salaries which are less than 3,000. So that range will be C2 to C3. So that says find in the salary column, find salaries which are less than 3,000. That's the C2 to C3, those two statements. And we'll close our brackets and we'll hit the return key, and we have 3 people with salaries less than $3,000. Now let's change this to maybe greater than. We want to find how many people whose salaries are greater than, let's say, $5,500. And here we have one person whose salary is greater than that. So this is how we use less than, greater than, not equal to symbols to perform filters on records and return the counts. Try this and let us know how it goes. Thanks.